Hey Racext, why are your chip tuning prices so high? Isn't it just a simple resistor? I get the question, and it's time to explain exactly why the price of our chip tuning devices reflects so much more than just a resistor. When you buy a Racext chip tuning device, you're not just paying for the product. Behind every purchase, there are a series of costs that often far exceed the price you pay. First of all, we offer free shipping worldwide. Yes, we ship anywhere, from the United States to Australia, even to the most remote islands of the Philippines. A single DHL shipment to Australia costs us 60 euros, and yet you don't pay a cent for shipping. Then there's the cost of the product itself. We use high-quality materials tested and certified to ensure safety and performance for your motorcycle. These components aren't cheap, but they guarantee reliability. Every transaction also comes with payment processing fees from services like PayPal and credit cards. These fees come out of our pocket, not yours. But that's not all. We offer dedicated technical support with professional mechanics who guide you step by step through the installation via chat or email. This kind of personalized support has a cost, but we include it in the price. Our products are shipped in durable, high-quality packaging to ensure the chip arrives safely, even on long international journeys. On top of all this, we provide free returns and a 100% money-back guarantee if the product doesn't meet your expectations or doesn't work on your vehicle. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There are dozens of other hidden costs like customer care fees, logistics management, administrative processes, and after-sales support. In some cases, the combination of these costs, shipping, product, technical assistance, packaging, and customer support, can exceed twice the amount we make from a single sale, and yet we still keep our prices competitive because we believe in offering real value. Now let's address the big question. Is Racext chip tuning just a resistor? Yes, it's a resistor, but it's not just any resistor. Each Racext chip tuning device is precisely calibrated to match the specific requirements of your motorcycle. We don't sell generic products. Our chips are designed to deliver more power, smoother acceleration, and a more responsive ride. Our devices are fully compatible with Euro 5 regulations. They operate below the detection threshold of the ECU while still providing real performance improvements. And if your ECU is so sensitive that it doesn't allow for any performance gains, we'll give you a full refund and even throw in a coffee to apologize. When you buy from Racext, you're not just getting a product, you're getting access to expert mechanics who will assist you through the installation process. If you're less experienced, we'll guide you to install the chip on the lambda sensor, where the wires are more visible and easier to access. We'll provide detailed photos showing exactly where to connect the device and how to adjust it. And what if the chip doesn't work or triggers a check engine light? Out of hundreds of customers, we've never had a case of vehicle damage. Our chip tuning devices are designed specifically not to trigger any errors. If a check engine light does appear, it's usually because someone adjusted the tuning screw, which we always say, never touch. But even if that happens, we've got solutions. In 99% of cases, simply disconnecting the negative cable from the battery for 24 hours will reset the system. And if that doesn't work, our technical team will guide you through other simple fixes. Now let's compare Racext with generic modules. Sure, generic modules might seem cheaper, but they don't offer technical support, a money-back guarantee, or certified quality. Without proper calibration, you risk seeing no performance improvement, damaging your motorcycle, and having no one to turn to if something goes wrong. With Racext, you get real performance, dedicated technical support, free shipping worldwide, and the security of a guaranteed refund if anything doesn't meet your expectations. So when you ask why Racext chip tuning costs more, the answer is simple. You're not just paying for a resistor, you're investing in quality, support, safety, and peace of mind. We don't just sell products, we deliver a complete experience, ensuring that you're always in good hands.
Certified and backed by real results. Every chip tuning device we sell is manufactured according to strict quality standards and comes with CE and ISO certifications from our trusted partners. But that's not all. We offer a 30-day return policy starting from the day you receive your product, not from the shipping date. If the chip tuning doesn't meet your expectations or doesn't work on your vehicle, you'll get a 100% refund with no explanations needed. And if that's not enough, we also offer payment through PayPal, which provides full buyer protection. If there's ever an issue, you're covered by PayPal's purchase protection policy, ensuring you'll get your money back if anything goes wrong. Some people say our chip tuning is just a resistor. Yes, it's a resistor, but it's precisely calibrated to deliver real performance results. Plus, we provide step-by-step technical support from expert mechanics to guide you through the installation and adjustment process. You don't get that with generic products or DIY solutions. We're here to deliver real value, real performance, and real customer support. If you ever have doubts, questions, or issues, our team is always here to help. So, is Racext a scam? Absolutely not. We stand by our products, our customers, and our commitment to quality.